So today we're staying at the Vdara Hotel and Spa in Las Vegas. Come with us on a tour around the hotel and we'll show you the room as well and all the facilities. So we're going to do a tour of our room. We're on floor 38, room 24, and our room is a panoramic strip view. So let's go into the room and we'll do a tour. Into the room, we're in the kitchen with a dining table. There's a connecting door to the other room there, and we have a full kitchen complete with lots of storage space. Part of the minibar there, which we all know not to touch. I've got a dishwasher and a hob if you did want to do any cooking, and then the minibar, which is around about $15 for a can of Coke. And then we've got a massive fridge and a big freezer, which is good because the marketplace downstairs stocks frozen meals which you can then cook in the microwave. So as we pan around out of the kitchen area, we then come into the living room. But before we get to the living room, we have a washing machine and a dryer in this cupboard. And then round into the living room, got a nice big comfy sofa. And we come round, got another chair. And we've got a big screen TV with lots of storage capacity underneath. And then into the bedroom, we've got these two sliding doors. So from the living room, we go into the bedroom using these two sliding doors. And we have a large king size bed, which is very comfortable. This is actually our second day at the Vdara, so we slept in this bed last night and it is very comfortable. So down by the side we've got a telephone, we've got the remote control for the TV, notepad with a pen. As we pan round, we've got reading lights. And then over on the other side of the bed we've got the tablet, which you can order room service and control the rest of the room, find out about the pool and the guest services and all the restaurants and the bars. Little table here that you can do your work on. It's got a data Ethernet cable, a telephone, another lamp. Over in the corner we've got a chair, and then at the head of the bed we've got a large TV. And as we swing round to the bathroom, this bathroom wraps around the whole room, and as we'll come out the other side of the bathroom, we will end up back into the kitchen. So as we come into the bathroom, got two sinks, and you've got all your amenities there, your Aria hand wash and body lotion, big bathtub, which as we will see when we open the drapes, the view that you get. Got a big walk-in shower, and then into the shower, you've got your Aria body wash, shampoo and conditioner. And as we come round to this side, I have a big vanity area for you ladies to do your makeup. Big full length mirror. And then this here is a big closet with a safe as well. You've got your toilet area, and then as we come back round through this door, we end up back into the kitchen area. And this is the pièce de résistance of this panoramic room. is the view that you get of the Vegas Strip. So down there you can see the Bellagio fountains. You can see the Sphere off in the background behind the link eye wheel. Got the Cosmopolitan swimming pool there in the background. Then off ahead we're on to Caesar's Palace. And this then follows on as we move into the bathroom. The view continues, and as you can see there, you can see part of the Eiffel Tower at the Paris Hotel. And here's the view from the bath. So imagine having a bath and you've got this view, especially at night when the whole strip's lit up and the fountains are going off and you've got the Sphere in the background all lit up. So that's the view from the bath, and then the view from the shower. So there you go, having a shower and you've got that view out onto the Strip. So here we are at the Vdara outside the hotel. Down there to the right hand side will take you to the Aria Hotel and Casino. And as we start to head inside the Vdara into the lobby area, the first thing that you notice when you arrive is the smell. Not the usual Las Vegas casino hotel smell. It smells very nice, really fresh, clean. As you head left into the lobby area, you arrive at the reception check-in area. As you can see, there are no queues, and that's what it was like. This section here is lots of tables and chairs, people are working, area to relax, and then corridors up at the top lead you to the lifts. There's two sections for different floors. And we then make our way over to the supermarket, which is open 24 hours a day. You can get all your snacks, your drinks, coffees, pastries. They have frozen meals that you can then take up to your room and prepare in the microwave in the oven upstairs. As we make our way back outside, up the far right hand side, this is one of the benefits of staying at the Vdara. Even though there's no casino, you are within a short walking distance to the Aria from outside, and then up this walkway straight ahead you will get to the Bellagio, and also you can get the tram to the park MGM, and then to the right hand side of the walkway will take you to the Cosmopolitan. So you're in walking distance to 3 casinos, and this walkway leads you down back into the Vdara lobby area with a Starbucks, and on the far right hand side is a conference meeting room which people are able to hire. As we make our way outside into the swimming pool, which is on floor 2, the pool is lovely. It's very chilled and relaxed atmosphere. With it being a casino free hotel, you will find that you will see a lot of families staying here. So the vibe is very chilled. It's not a party pool. The pool is nice and warm once you get in there. A bit cold when you first step in, but your body will acclimatise to the temperature, and it is very warm with the sun reflecting off the hotel. You've got lots of sun lounges. You can hire day beds, as you can see here, and in the background there are some cabanas which we will take a closer look at now. So you can hire these cabanas fully decked out with all the furniture you need. There's a TV, there's a fridge, and they all come prepared with day beds outside, as well that you can use, and they also have their own private swimming pool here. The drinks range from anything from up to $30 for a souvenir cocktail. You can get frozen drinks, all your various cocktails, beers, and food as well. We found the service to be really quick, and that is the bar area. If you wanted to just go and get a drink yourself and sit around the pool, sit around the bar, they've got lots of chair options for you to relax by the pool. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates when we release new videos, and I will see you in the next video.